So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So, here is Harshita. I think this is the first video I am introducing myself, but koi nahi. So, this video is all for my 10th जिनके मन में बहुत सारे सवाल चल रहे होंगे कि why she is not posting something about maths exam on her channel, और बहुत सारे questions जैसे कि why she is not posting what she had chosen, maths basic or standard, and third, from where she is practicing her questions and our maths. So I am back with all the answers of your question. So let's start. So सबसे पहली चीज़ कि why I was not sharing with you, means I was not posting something about my maths exam because there was a gap of 10 days, as we all know. Or I thought to do something new, means you have explored my channel and you found that I would be sharing some mix of fashion, my lifestyle vlogs, study vlogs, etc. This channel is not especially for studies. This channel is a mix of everything, so I thought to do something new. So I had shared you the get ready with me reels. If you haven't watched, please do watch. So the another point is which I had chosen, means maths standard or maths basic. So this particular question I'm not gonna reveal in this video because I will reveal this question in my other vlog, which I will be posting on 10th March or 11th March for sure. Till then, make your widest possibility in the comment section, and finally I will reveal in that vlog. So please do watch that vlog also, because that vlog will gonna be too interesting. Our next question is that key how I am preparing for my maths exam, or where I am practicing all the questions for the maths exam. So this question is very simple because I am preparing from Shobhit Bhaiya. He has divided the classes in stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. In stage 1 he was just completing whole the syllabus. We are close of completing the stage 1, means today is 6th March and the stage 1 will be completed tonight because we are left with only 3 chapters. And in stage 2 we will do the questions, expected questions which may come in our exam. And in stage 3 we all know, so I don't want to reveal that. These are the strategy of Shobhit Bhaiya, and in this I had practiced a question from his marathon which he was practicing in the live classes. And second thing, he was sharing some GDP square, means gap days practice paper every day of the chapters which he was teaching in the class. So I was solving just that because I have trust on him, and I know that whatever he is giving, whatever he is teaching, that will be benefit, that will be enough for us to score good marks in math. So you also believe on him and just do whatever he want to say. And if you want to do another thing from yourself, means another book or questions, you can do. He is not stopping you, refusing you to don't do the other. So that's all for today. Like, share, subscribe. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.